Hello out there, welcome back to the weekly videocast of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. Well, this is Dawong here and one of your favorite market opinion leaders in bursamarketplace.com. Alright, this week on the FCPO Outlook, which will be trading on the active month in October 21.5, we should be covering on the outlook, which will stretch from this week on the 10th of August up to the 14th of August in the year 21.5. Alright, October month on last Friday, as you can see, let's start off with the weekly chart here on this week. Alright, on the weekly chart, the market actually closed lower at 2042, and there was a 2042 ringgit per ton in FCPO prices, and it actually broke down below the support, and the market posed a high danger. Alright, on the weekly chart itself, we have reasons to believe that the market might actually continue to go down and test 2000 major benchmark for this week and continue in bear trend. Alright, for the weekly chart, let's take a look at the day chart here. As you can see, alright, the market is really bearish, and if it moves up, the previous support on this line, the level here at 2070 regions, alright, as you can see here on the y-axis, 2070, it should be turning into a strong resistance if the market happens to turn up. 2070 to 2080 as the first resistance if the market goes up. But if it goes down on the downside and break below 2000 on the day chart, this bottom, which was formerly formed on the September last year, it should be acting as the first support, and the level is 1992. So primarily on the day chart, we are looking at a bearish and a small trend. All right, starting down from 2070 down to 1990, about 80 ticks for this coming week. All right, moving into the 4-hour chart, we can see that the 4-hour chart actually has not turned up because the averaging line here is still pretty open, all right, and it is not crossing up yet. So we have reasons to believe that the recovery has not started. All right, another strong evidence that from this support line on this bottom that coincide on this top here, all right, we will again confirm on this confluent point that 2080 will be a strong resistance if the market happens to turn up in this coming week. All right, on the 60-minute chart again, if we go in, yes, and of course temporarily it could be turning up or trading sideways as the market has begun to digest on the down move on last Friday. All right, very quickly let's take a look at the Fibonacci. All right, Fibonacci, if the market happens to turn up initially on this coming Monday or Tuesday, all right, the first 20% target has been reached. If the market goes up 33%, and yes, it is so confluent that 2080 will act as a continual resistance. All right, so this week we are not going to look very far ahead. All right, just keep your view on the market possibly prone to moving downtrend. On the top side, 2070 as a resistance, and on the downside it could be breaking 2000 going down to 1990 or even not 1980. All right, so this is the end of the videocast hosted to you by Oriental Pacific Futures and delivered to you by Dawong here, which is one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in bursamarketplace.com. If you got any interest, open account, please call 603-2181-8848 and talk to Ryan Chua. Remember the code Dawong for a low commission below the board rate, or if you want to have a trial of the DZH next view charting like what you have here, please text his number or call him JC at 016-280-2228 or email him giving your name, email and handphone number so he can contact you and revert with a trial login. All right, thank you very much to all the listeners here, and this is Dawong here once again delivered to you on behalf of Oriental Pacific Futures. I shall speak to you again next week, and do come back. Bye bye.